Hey guys, it's 8 what's up you guys, let's go dogs for one. What you guys been up to? Anything fucking fashion, you know, anything exciting? Well, right now you guys, I'm just trying to figure things out. Yeah, I'm just gonna set this aside right now. So I know that, just trying to figure things out, making videos today. If I don't do, if I can get this out, I don't know if I can get this box out. Gosh dang it. G. Yeah, so right now you guys, I'm just doing get organized for a video. There's gonna be 2 videos today. Probably gonna film 2 videos today, which is really good, really exciting. So talk to you guys when I am trying to think things through before I do anything, before I go shopping, because I think I'm gonna have to go shopping to get some supplies. So talk to you guys when I am organized.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Now you guys, I'm just replacing this sticker right there, because it needs to be renewed, so I'll talk to you guys when I am replacing it. So right now you guys, I'm just getting my insurance slip, putting the other sticker on. You guys, where does it go? Oh, that was right there. There we go, you guys. Got this done. So, on to the next place. So right now, you guys, we are going to go grocery shopping to get some supplies for the video. So I'll talk to you guys when we get to the grocery shopping. So talk to you guys then. Now you guys, we are doing some shopping. So that's what we are doing. Bagels will be down the bagel aisle. So that's what we are doing. Peek behind the scenes of what we are filming. So this is what we are gonna have. Yeah. Got home, you guys. I am just filming right now, you guys. So I'll talk to you guys when I am done filming. So right now, you guys, my dad and me are gonna go for a walk. Right soon. So I'm just trying to find my sandals. Don't know where they are. But let's see. Where are they? Sandals, shoes, sandals. Where are you, sandals? I just had you on not that long ago. Wait, are they in the kitchen? Nope, they're not in the kitchen. Wow, I'm losing things, you guys. Guys, I'm losing things. Where are they? Don't know. Found them! Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are making zucchini loaf! Yeah, we are making some zucchini loaf! So there's the thing before we put them in the oven. So that's what we are doing. So there is the zucchini loaf. Looks so good, you guys. Yes, it does look good. So I'm gonna end today's video, you guys. I'm gonna do like that. So talk to you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.